Was built by prison convicts. It's true. Here, they test everything. The rides, the food, the slogans. It's totally inhumane. Later, we'll have you clean the men's room at the burrito tent. No, I've lost 2 buddies there.
Just pretend that Principal Skinner's stupid face. Oh, really sorry. Hey, how did you people see those faces? They're in my imagination. Oh, what else am I imagining? I bet this hammer is really a feather. Ah!
I'd like some information.
My pleasure.
Who won the 1942 World Series?
The St. Louis Cardinals.
Didn't slice the sky with
The molecules in the air scatter blue light from the sun.
Why are you so lame?
I was a very sickly boy and I never developed social skills.
Am I supposed to feel sorry for you?
Yes, yes you are.
The best thing about this box is it contains people's misery. Doesn't it make you feel great knowing somebody's going to walk all the way out to the car, then realize they don't have their keys? Hey, look, it's Homer's driver's license. Hey, it's me, Krusty. The line's almost over. Only 45 more minutes. Just kidding. I have no idea how much longer it is. So here to entertain you are Itchy and Scratchy.
Hey, those are just 2 drunks you fished out of the gutter.
That's a lie.
You're fired. And leave the suit.
All right, let's get this thing off.
Go! Keep the suit! One word of warning that may mar your otherwise enjoyable day at my park. There's a psychopathic killer on the loose. His name is Sideshow Bob, and he used to work for me. For some reason, he hates me. Then Bob tried to frame me for robbery, and he was foiled by the Simpsons. And now he's vowed to kill them all, even the baby. 6 months ago, Bob escaped from the Springfield penitentiary. He is rumored to be in the vicinity of this park, but rest assured, my Crackerjack security team has everything under control.
I'm sorry, does anyone know which end the bullet goes in?
Now, which lucky family will be the first to go on my thrilling new ride? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Make it quick, I gotta go. To the little clown's room, so the family that will see my show is the one who hollers, go! Fine, you're in. Come with me. Oh, and you can pick one other group to come with you.
How about these guys?
Sure, whatever. They look clean. You guys come with me. You stay here and wait for someone to tell you to do something. This is where we make all the wonder and imagination that fuels our park. Hurry, put on these light vests.
Krusty, is this a nuclear reactor? Oh.
What do you know about nuclear energy, kid? Leave that to us clowns.
The reactor is terribly dangerous. The leakages, the crackages. Observe. Oh, the growling Now, if a human being were to enter that room, who knows what events might occur to like they could grow 50 feet tall, or 3 extra arms, or an eye where their nose should be, which is painful.
Hey, Nerdenheimer, don't you have a test tube to polish?
Yes, I do, actually, but you denied my request for test tube polish. I've been using rainwater in my shirt tails.
Get out of here! Here we are at the vehicle boarding station.
I'm sorry, sir. People with heart conditions may not ride.
Why, I'm in the best shape I've ever... Oh, heart attack! Been in my life. I feel like a 20-stroke-year-old. Man, you're a dumb... How is outside?
Oh, you can watch Maggie.
You're getting right each other's nonsense. You don't say. Well, back in my day, people never had to go with what Well, Maggie, looks like I'll be taken care of.
Nó cái gì con xinh xắn. Dạ. Yêu con xinh xắn à? Trời ơi, không ăn cái
Wow, we're the first people to ever ride this baby. We're like that space guy who did that moon thing.
Neil Armstrong?
No, Chewbacca.
Now enjoy the Ferris wheel. Or whatever this is. What do you want?
A dish best served cold.
Is it ice cream?
No revenge!
Go!
We're on vacation. Can't you kill me on a work day?
Simpsons, get in that ride!
Forget it, Bob. We'll never... Dad.
I waited in line an hour for this thing and I'm riding it. Now hop in.
Now the last thing you'll ever see. A legally required safety net.
Here are some brief guidelines to ensure a safe and pleasant experience. When the doors open, move immediately into the vehicle boarding station. Walk, don't run. Proceed to the left and right side of the vehicle. We ask that you place all large or fragile items, including cameras and video recorders, against the wall outside the vehicle, and hold on to all loose articles. Take your seats in an orderly fashion, and please watch your head as you enter the vehicle. If you have difficulty dealing with small spaces, make the Krusty crew member aware of this before entering the vehicle. Once you're seated, please go down on the lap bar. Please remain seated and face forward while the vehicle is in motion. Keep your arms and legs clear of the closing doors and inside the vehicle at all times. No still or motion picture photography of any kind is allowed. Thanks for your attention. Enjoy the ride.
Hitting it.
Left in your pocket.
There's nothing you can do. You're about to die.
You sound like my son.
My next victim. So anyway, where are you all?
Well, not only are you not killing us, I'm having fun. That's a load of bullshit. I always get things done backwards. Hey, I can see our car. You guys haven't seen a giant steel ball, have you? You don't want to hurt me, Ball. We're both big and round and never finished high school.
Welcome to a magical journey through my mouth.
Well, there's the kiddie ride. At least we're safe.
And up next to differ. You got off.
I'm trying to kill the kids.
It just gets better and better.
Now, mother, because I want to be fair and decent and nice, resist every temptation I place in front of you.
It's a temptation.
Did beer hurt anybody? I hate chain reaction.
You foiled my plans for the last time.
You soiled your pants for the last time? We'll save
ride is over.